Hi guys, today I'll walk you through how to get verification for your Google Apps for platforms like n8n. So you have to open the canvas. It's a really simple process, just stick on with me. So first we have to open the trigger, so it can be any of your Google Apps. Let me go for Google Docs. Go in here, create a document. It can be any of your Google Apps, and you have to select a credential. So as of now you can see it's asking for a client ID and a client secret ID, and also provides you with a redirect URL. So we are going to open the docs to see how it should be done. So here you can see the prerequisite is to create a Google Cloud account, and if you also want to know more about this procedure you can just go through this documentation, but I'll just walk you through. It's a really simple process. So first we have to go to Google Cloud. So you just have to make sure that you're logged into your Google Cloud account and click on to console. So you landed on your console page, and over here in the search title bar you have to go to Google Docs or any of the Google apps that you're chosen to use in n8n platform. So for us it's Google Docs now. API, and we have to choose Google Docs API. So any of it might be Google Calendar API, it might be Google Gmail API, or any of the Google apps API I have to choose, and you just have to make sure the API is enabled or not. You have to get the green tick over here, and if it's not, they'll be giving you option to enable the API. You just have to enable it, and you have to refresh it to see whether the API is enabled or not. It's a really simple process. Now we are going to go to the top left corner, and we are going to go to API and services and click on the credentials. See the 2.0 client IDs. Already I have like 2 client IDs, and I'll show you how to create it. It's simple. Go to auth client ID. So the application type is web application, so n8n is a web application, and you can just name whatever, n8n 3. And over here you can see it's asking you for the authorized redirect URL, which is provided by n8n. You have to go back to n8n and you have to click copy. Go back to the page, add URL, just have to paste it here and click create. So you can see we got the client ID and the client secret ID. So you just have to click copy here and paste it in the respective positions. So one more important step to add. It's a really simple step. I'll show you what it is. You have to go to your auth consent screen and make sure whether the app is published or not. And you have to go to audience, and the app is not published. So you have to add a user before you publish the app. So you have to add your mail ID. So mine is here. Make sure it's added and save. And you can publish the app now. You can see the user is added. Confirm. Yeah, now it's published. You have to go back to n8n, click sign in with Google, and you have to choose the account. If you are landing on this page that Google hasn't verified this app, as of now you can just use the advanced settings. Go on and go to n8n Cloud and save. It might take some time for Google to recognize n8n as well as giving access to the data. So until then you can just use this advanced settings, and you have to click continue. Connection successful. And yeah, now you can just choose onto the document whatever you want to use in the workflow. And that's it guys. It's really simple for you to get your Google Apps verified in n8n. And if you found this video useful, you can just click on to like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.